So hey there, well what I thought I'd do today is I'm actually walking from Kata to Karon. So I've turned into a kind of like a little bit of a walking tour just to see what's out there. So you get Karon, which is further north than Kata. So it'll be an interesting walk, and it's very hot out today, believe me. And this is kind of the where I'm at. This is the intersection at Kata. Over there is the sign you can see. I don't know if you, with this camera, but Katanoi, Karon, or Katanoi and Kata that way, and then Karon is this way. So at least we'll get a little bit of a shade heading north. And you get to see all these little shops and time shop around. I definitely could probably use a better hat than what I have for sun protection. So what I've learned is there's actually a heat warning in Thailand. So it was extremely warm yesterday, and I was going to do this walk, which I probably should have started it earlier. So I'm doing it today, which is Sunday, and it's around 11:30 in the morning, and the heat index is slowly creeping up. But always good for a walk, so kind of give you an idea what's out here. This is all the souvenir shops, very tourist oriented, that you can see. So this is kind of the split between Kata and Karon. Swadee Cup. This road, and it runs into Karon very fast once you get to the end of it. And you can see the traffic is always a little bit busy between these two areas. I can see Karon in the distance. So there's all types of these little markets that you can go to. Now this one is called the Bamboo. I don't mind the 7-Elevens. Those are pretty much well priced. Plenty of places to book a tour. I decided to stay on the shady side. So now on the Karon side, and kind of get a shot of the south end of Karon. Now Karon is a very big beach. It is the largest beach here in southern Phuket. And just to come up here, now that water looks so beautiful. So we'll continue up to the, keep going north. I'll see if I can stay within the trees a little bit. It makes it for a little bit of a cooler walk. Kind of keep the sun down. But look at all these beach chairs. This is what to expect on almost every beach you go on in Phuket. Smells like that. Typical Sunday afternoon or early morning mid-morning day. So I decided to take it down to the sidewalk. So sidewalk, road, beach. Just kind of speed up my walk a little bit. Now this is the main road in front of the beach area. You see out there, you got longtails. That water just looks so nice, absolutely beautiful. So I'm on this little path here, right outside of the beach, which makes it much better for that sun beating down on you. But here it is. I think this is like a clong that goes around it, but definitely a little bit cooler walking here than out there on the road. Kind of cool here. I've never walked this part. So this is a kind of little break across the clong. I've been walking on this pathway, which is really nice, especially this time of day. But this will bring you right out to the beach. There's the main road. And this goes straight to the beach chairs. Gotta walk back here behind it a little bit. I'll make my way to the next crossing. So a stopping point right here at the Karon Market, right on the main road. These shops go very deep inside. So I've essentially made it up to the Karon Circle, right over there, and I'm gonna make a right, and at the very end is the Karon Temple, and that'll be my final destination. But right now I'm doing a water stop at this little 7-Eleven. So get the hydration going, which is really important, especially in this heat. But it's a good walk, and walking is always good for you. So there is the official circle, and gonna make my way up this street. I believe the temple is at the very end, if I remember right. Swaddy Cup. Okay, I just checked my Google Maps, and I am on target. I'm about a 6-minute walk away. That was what I'm looking at. So, just right up the road, and I have arrived. So, maybe 5 minutes at the very end of this road. So, try to cross, go to the other side. There it is in the distance. Now they also have on, I believe, 2 nights a week. I've been there before. They have the Karon night market. I think that's, I believe it's Friday and Tuesdays. I'd have to get the, not really sure though. So I've made it to the temple. I think the main temple is up here. I believe this is also a school. So here is the, this must be the main temple. It looks like I'm not going to be able to go inside, at least on this one. But it is so beautiful. And take a look on the other side. I just love the architecture of these Buddhist temples. They're so beautiful. Official name, Wat Karon, Phuket, Thailand. I was going to make sure I get the right temple. So back here in Kata, and that was a success. Made my way to the temple, and it's kind of like a little bit of a walking tour, kind of give you an idea what's going on. And this is the end of this video, and time to go back and edit this video, put it up. If this content helps you out, you know, please consider subscribing, give it a like if you like it, and hope to see you on the next video. So see ya from Phuket, Thailand.